Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can open N26 account. So first of all, you have to go to n26.com or download the N26 app on your mobile. Then you have some criteria that you have to fill. You have to be at least 18 years old. You have to reside in a supported country. So what are the countries? So these are the countries that supports N26. You can pause the video to get a good look. Then you have to own a compatible smartphone. I'm guessing that you already have it. Then hold a supported ID. So what is a supported ID? So a supported ID will prove your identity. It might ask for photo or video. It will prove that you are the same person that the ID belongs to. And then after that, you have to be able to verify yourself in one of the supported languages, which are English, German, Spanish, Italian, or French. If you fulfill all those criteria mentioned above, you can start your signing up process by verifying your email address and personal information. You have to choose an account type, personal or business account. You have to link it to your smartphone. You have to prove your identity, as I said just minutes ago, and you can start adding funds and start your banking. So this is how you can open an N26 account. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.